Hello, it's Wednesday, September the 29th, 2010, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from UFXBank. The dollar fell against most major currencies after American home prices rose at a slower pace in July, 3.20% versus 4.20% prior, and US consumer confidence fell 48.5% versus 52.5% forecast, threatening further action from the Fed to restart purchases of government debt. Nasdaq and Dow Jones rose by 0.41% and 0.43% respectively. Crude oil weakened by 0.4%, closing at $76.18 a barrel, and gold continued to rise, reaching a new record to close at $1,308.30 an ounce. No major economic data is expected today. The euro traded at almost a 5-month high against the dollar when US home prices came out worse than expected in July. Fueling speculation, the Fed will ease monetary policy. The momentum of the euro-dollar is still strongly bullish for the euro. As long as it's above 134 levels, a short-long position is preferred, with next resistance on the daily chart at 1.37. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 133.81 and a high of 135.95. No economic data is expected today. The pound weakened against the euro and fluctuated versus the dollar after Bank of England policymaker Adam Posen said that the central bank should resume its asset purchase program to boost the economy. The main resistance of the pound dollar on the daily chart is still 160, with a momentum clearly bullish as long as the price remains above 157. Main support on the 1-hour chart is at 157.40. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 157.18 and a high of 158.95. Today, net lending to individuals is expected to rise from 0.3 billion to 0.5 billion. The yen strengthened to near a 2-week high against the dollar after reports showed that US home prices dropped for the first time in 4 months. The dollar-yen has broken support at 84.20, therefore the momentum is negative again for the dollar. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 83.68 and a high of 84.34. No economic data is expected today. Finally, the Canadian dollar, this touched its weakest level since March against the euro and closed almost unchanged versus the dollar amid speculation that the Bank of Canada may keep the benchmark interest rate on hold at its next meeting. The momentum of the dollar CAD is still negative for the US dollar, although it has been fluctuating in the last few days. As long as the dollar CAD stays below 104, a short position is preferred. Next support on the daily chart is located at 102. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 102.85 and a high of 103.61. No major economic data is expected today. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at ufxbank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.